Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix voice typing error code 0x80049dd3 in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select accounts. On right side just need to scroll down, select the other users and select add user account. Select add account. Select I don't have this person sign in information. Click on it. Click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Click on it. In here type your newly created account name, and if you want to secure with, you just need to type your password and select next. I'm gonna go with not password. Select the newly created account over here and select change account type and select account type to administrator and select OK. After doing this, close out of here, select the start icon, select your account and select the newly created account, and you just need to click on sign in and configure the new account. Your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.